Are you kicking?
Ooh, you're gonna swim too? You can kick with your arms. You can kick it, you can't kick with your arms. you know what you can do. Okay. Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Don't put your head down. No, you don't rub your face.
It's gonna hurt your eyes.
Your face. Alright. But you can do your arms if you want. You can do your arms.
Look at you floating.
Oh. Is that your face?
Second thumb. You want to get one more super jack there, Daddy? Oh, he likes that.
Oh no. You're such a good boy.
Such a good boy. You're awesome.
Now you gotta lounge. You gotta lounge. You floating. You floating. That's a good way to float. Look at you. You're floating, bud. Can you kick? Can you kick? That's you. I'm not holding you up. Well, that side of you. Can you kick? You gonna splash your mom? You gonna splash your
Are
mom?
you gonna splash me, buddy?
Give me the eyes.
Okay.